In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off shift lock in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Heroes Battlegrounds, sometimes you might have noticed that shift lock is enabled. So shift lock changes the way that you are going to approach the game and the way that the camera functions. As you can see, regardless of where I move my mouse, my camera is always going to follow behind. So I'm always going to see the back of my character, and there's no way to face the front, for example. So to manage shift lock, all that you have to do is press shift on your keyboard. For me, either shift works, so I can either press the shift on the left side of my keyboard or the shift at the right side on my keyboard. So either press the left-sided shift or the right-sided shift and you will be able to enable or disable shift lock accordingly. Now with shift lock disabled, my camera is independent from my mouse movements. So if I want to move my camera, I just have to press down with right click and then move it. So depending on how you want to play, it can be useful to enable or disable during battle. So maybe you are doing a combo and then you want to lock in, so you enable shift lock and then you continue it. Basically, it changes the way in which you approach the game. A lot of people will usually play with it always enabled or with it always disabled, but regardless, all that you have to do to manage shift lock and to turn it on or off is to press shift on your keyboard. If you are doing this process using a controller or if you are playing on mobile, usually this is going to be the left D-pad button or some button in the D-pad, and for mobile it is going to be a specific button that you can find around the screen. Sadly, I don't have the means to record the mobile screen at the moment, but you just have to look for the option to lock your camera with usually a lock icon, and as long as you tap that button, you will be able to enable or disable shift lock. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off shift lock on Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.